Give me your full attention, so you're totally here with me now. For this exercise, we're going to be using the breath as an anchor to focus attention. Breathe normally. And just notice the air moving in and out of your nose. As you breathe, you may notice thoughts coming into your head, random thoughts, problems, worries. When you see this happening, gently bring your attention back to the feeling of the air moving in and out of your nose. See if you can observe the thoughts rather than engaging with them. The thoughts come and they go, like clouds in the sky, moving through your mind. Just breathing in and breathing out. Watching the thoughts. Sometimes they may carry you away. That's fine. But as soon as you realize your mind has been distracted, gently come back to the experience of breathing, here and now. Here and now. Here and now. Staying with the breath, just watching the thoughts come and letting them go. Here and now. Here and now. It doesn't really matter how often you are carried away by your thoughts, or for how long you are gone. All that matters is that when you see that your mind has wandered, that you gently return your attention to the breath. Here and now. Here and now. The thoughts come and the thoughts go. All that matters is that when you realize your mind has wandered, you return to the breath. This is fabulous mindfulness training. You are training yourself to observe and let go of thoughts, and how to focus your attention fully in the present moment using your breath.